Samuel died. Oh, he squealed. That was terrifying. Oh, hi, hi. My lifeless body just tumbled down the hill. Right here, let's just camp in here in the west. Let's heal up in here. There we go. I'll do it right here. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh shoot, that scared me. Brother. Aye. If we capture one of the posts behind, then we practically win. So our mission is to just run this way. Alright, I see you. I'm healing though, so that's good. I'm at 30. Samuel, let's go to the... If we go to the very back, they won't be there. So we just gotta push on to the back. And then hope that no one's there. We're a one-man squad. Wait, what? No, we're a two-man squad. Alright, I have to go around. I'm sorry. I couldn't make it up the hill.
Objective Echo has just been neutralized.
Alright, there's someone coming. Alright, people are coming in now, so...
We've taken Objective Echo. I have eyes on a hostile machine gunner east of your position.
Alright, I'll go around the back. Yeah, we just need to get people over here. See, look, you see what we did, Sam? Just because we did that, now we have like a few more because we opened it up. Stupid. Whoa. We lost hardcore. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Get over here. Practically. No.
Objective Echo has been neutralized. Be advised, taking Objective Bravo.
You're such a faggot. There's a helicopter trying to kill me. Amazing. Nope. I'm safe now.
I spotted an enemy machine gunner to your south.
Oh fudge, the helicopter's back. Leave me alone!
We now have control of objective Bravo.
What? The one that keeps, like, killing with me. See, look, there's a helicopter. It's this one right here. Oh, well, they got to it. Son of a bee. They all scatter when you shoot at them.